If you've encountered the no such interface supported error on your Windows 11 PC, don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps to fix this issue. So let's get started. First, let's run the system file checker and DISM tool to repair any corrupted system files. Open the command prompt as an administrator by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Windows Terminal Admin. Now in the command prompt, type the following command, that is src /scan now. This command will scan and repair any corrupted system files. After your scan is complete, next make sure your Windows 11 is up to date. Go to Settings, then Windows Update and click Check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your PC. If the problem still isn't fixed, try performing a clean boot to see if any third-party services are causing the issue. To do that, open the Run dialog box by pressing Win+R. Then type msconfig and press enter. In the system configuration window, go to the Services tab. Now check Hide all Microsoft services and then click Disable all. Next, go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Disable all startup items, then restart your PC. As a last resort, you can reset your PC. And that's it. Those are some ways to fix the no such interface supported error on Windows 11.